Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Harrier. It has the 3.0 V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This Toyota Harrier has 60,420 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They do go away as well. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 97,267. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 60,420. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we would be happy to answer them for you. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.